Hi, welcome to Cocktails with Carol. Here I am. I'm not by myself. I have my good man, Ken, behind the camera. He's an excellent camera person. And I thought he came over for dinner with Mike to watch Hocus Pocus 2. It's Halloween season, and I thought that I would make him a cocktail. And I wanted to make him one that I thought he would like. And I found this actually on CNN.com. I wrote down some notes of a couple in my Frankenstein notebook. We're going to make this quick because we've got the movie to go to. Well, to watch here. This is called Phoenix Rising. I'm not really sure how that's Halloween. I thought that was Harry Potter, but you know, we're going to go with it. And I'm going to make it. It's meant to be made as a crowd, for a crowd. So I'm just kind of figure it out. The ingredients are Bailey's Irish Cream. I got a big old bottle of that. And then we have the Godiva White Chocolate Liqueur. And the reason I have this is because Ken makes an excellent peppermint martini that you use this for. And not up and down, Ken. That's right. You put this in your, yes. And I thought we were going to make them last Christmas, so I bought a big bottle as a backup, and we never did. So we're going to have to get to that this year. And then you put in some spiced rum, and I have Captain Morgan spiced rum here. And it calls for milk, but who are we kidding? Half and half. That's going to be just so much better. So I'm going to put some, I just got these really fancy little ice tongs from my Aunt Celia when I went to visit her in Nebraska. So we're really fancy now. Just put a little ice in there. Oh, as you can see, I don't use these very often. I also have my glass of wine here. I took this one from Karen. Excuse me while I just sip. Okay. Now this recipe's for a crowd, so it's talking cups. So I'm going to do jiggers. So it's 3/4 cups of Irish cream. I'm going to do 3/4 of this jigger. That's how I'm going to do it. But I'm going to do 1.5 because I'm going to make one for Ken and one for me. You know, I've been noticing on the fancy cocktail shows, boy, that's like, I could do like, they hold it like this. Let's see if I can do it. Like really fancy. Have you ever seen bartenders do this, Ken? Where they go like this? Well, what do you do with these two fingers? Oh, I don't know if that was better. Okay, and then we go for the white chocolate Godiva liqueur. I think I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm more comfortable doing that. Looks like cream. Do like a half. We're going to do a half, so a whole spiced rum. And then we're going to put in, it says a half of whole milk. This is half and half, so I'm going to do a whole. Ooh, that's nice and cold. I can feel it. Okay, I'm going to shake it up a little. I just went on Saturday to see the B-52s, and the opening act was shake, 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 shake your booty, shake your booty. Man, Casey and the Sunshine Band. Casey, boy, he was really putting on a good show there. Who knew? 71 years old, and he was trying really hard to kick really hard, and he was doing like these twirls, and I'm like, have you been watching Serena Williams? Because that's what Serena does. Or did, now that she's retired. Okay, I'm going to just put 4 ice cubes. Let's see how much of this concoction. Phoenix Rising, the Harry Potter drink. It looks very creamy, delicious. I think you're gonna like it, Ken. Okay, I'm gonna hand him his. So it made like 2 side cheers. Let's see what this tastes like. It tastes really strongly like Bailey's, right? I don't know if I'm tasting the other tastes. It just tastes like Bailey's, right? So I think what we're gonna have to do is like, well, I'll just put in mine and see if it makes a difference. Another cup of, what does this stuff taste like anyway? White chocolate liqueur. Kind of tastes like Bailey's. Doesn't taste that much different. So maybe what I'm gonna do, I don't think it needs any more cream. I'll just add more rum. See if that helps it. I'm gonna get some more ice in there. But you probably like it, Ken, don't you? You want more ice? You want some both? Yeah? Oh, you want the rum in there? Okay. I'm working with a mute. He has some aversion to like hearing his voice, which I think is so silly because he has a beautiful voice. You should hear him sing. He's a beautiful singer. I'm gonna use the ice tongs because we're so classy here. I'm getting on my little haunted house. It's all wet. I don't want it. Let's see. Okay, you try that with the rum. I've got more rum and more white chocolate. Let's see if it tastes like. It just tastes more alcohol-y. Okay, this is what I'm going to tell you. If you want to drink something like this, just drink Bailey's on ice. I think you're good to go. Right, Ken? What do you think? Yeah. You're going to get more boosted up with the rum in there, of course. This doesn't make any difference at all. I think this is interchangeable with Bailey's. And I think to like kind of calm the liquor, I'm just going to put some more half and half in there. I'm going to give some more to Kenny. Make it nice and creamy. Let's see. John will use the tongs. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, you don't need to. Bailey's, and if you want to cream it up, put some half and half in it. I think you're good. We don't need all these extras. So that's what we got for you tonight. It's kind of like a little hit or miss. I mean, how can you go wrong with Bailey's? I think there's some other brands also that you can buy that are also Irish. This is a nice big bottle. And we're going to have some brownies, some chocolate sauce can, ice cream, and whipped cream. And we're going to watch Hocus Pocus 2. Happy Halloween. Cheers.